back up. Stick around, please. We'll be looking up on Piper Climb's attitude for us today. That's 50572. You're the winner? Fantastic.
I get to go now.
We're going to take you right now. Man, climb attitude. We're going to put you in the back of this stuff. Ethan's going to take a ride around the airport. You're going to have fun. Where's home?
It's Pennsylvania, middle of Pennsylvania.
Local? Just came out your day at the airport, did you?
Yeah, State College. Yeah.
Good deal. We're not here right now. You're just hanging around, aren't you? Okay.
Yeah.
We're wanting, Dave. Go.
That's fine.
All right. Ethan, want to bring it on up? Watch out.
You got a lot.
I'm not going up that far. You get the airplane. Ethan, make sure you get your airplane. Make sure you get your airplane properly.
But kill a little time there before the big trickle.
While Maverick gets your code out of here. Put him in the back. Careful. Just step up in there, please. Just get in the air. Don't touch anything in the airplane, please. One little lap, that's the lane, good. Have fun. Where are you going? Hey, what are you doing out there? At least you're taxiing back to taxi, right? Nothing red. Hey, just get back in the airplane. Exactly what happened. There will stick. No. Buddy, go. Ethan, what did you do? Oh my God. Ethan, you're in trouble. You just lost your airplane. Jesus. This guy goes. Ethan, just keep running the other way. No sense coming over here because you just lost your airplane. No. Get away from the trees. This guy doesn't know how to think. He came out there from college. What did you do? Can you breathe? What did you do?
I can't breathe, but the tailwheel's broken. He stole my airplane.
Yes, he did. He stole your airplane. Tail was broken. You fell flat.
I don't know what's going on.
You got to watch this.
Oh my God!
He says he's up here from college, but I don't know about it. To be honest with you, he's just up there playing around the Cub right now. He doesn't know how to fly the airplane.
It looks like he had a long night.
He doesn't look like a college student.
Oh my God!
Can you do that with your gun?
No, I ain't never seen a Cub do that before.
Look at that, the stock pit, 385 horse, right?
Yeah.
What year is that?
1945. I just built it.
Well, are you ready to build it again? It might be a piece of equipment kind of like the RC airplanes out here. You got to be willing to build an airplane.
I don't think I'm going to live long enough to rebuild it after this one. Oh my God!
Well, those girls are squirrels are running.
Oh my God! He's back! He's back!
Where'd he go?
This Cub's not long from the airport. Oh, I'm not sure, buddy, but if this guy's he's getting the feel for something. Well, at least keep around the airport.
Yeah.
What, the tailwheel sits on you?
It's broken. The tailwheel about fell off on me.
We're not safe saying that Henry tried to land out there, man.
No, not at all. Oh my goodness.
Oh, he found the throttle, and he found the pedal for the
Wow.
It's a shame, it's a pretty Cub.
It's a beautiful Cub. It was my great-grandpa's Cub. He flew it. He bought it brand new over there in Lockhaven, right off the factory floor.
Just on the way here, Peter.
Yeah.
They just had Sentimental Journey a couple weeks ago.
I took the Cub to Sentimental Journey.
Did you really?
I did.
It might be the last time to get it up there. Might be static display next time in the museum. He is very rough when he goes through everything.
Looks like he found out what the rudder does.
And the other one. Well, there's the one. He's got them all working.
How about?
All right, buddy, so you get it turned around, get down and run so we can get you on the ground, hopefully. Maybe the tail will break off and it'll just stick in the grass and skid down on it straight.
That's best case scenario right there. It looks like he's being a little more stable. Maybe he figured it out.
Looks pretty good right now.
I think he stopped touching the controls.
You know, he lost sight of the airport. He's lost. You there we go. Over your right shoulder.
We're over here!
Work it back, buddy. I didn't catch his name. 505279, I think the number was I was thinking, but I didn't get a name.
Excuse me, ma'am, did you get his name?
Aaron Bates.
He said, this young lady right here said his name's Aaron Bates.
Aaron Bates?
Aaron Bates.
Aaron.
Yeah, you know Aaron?
I do not.
That's him.
Well, Aaron, you're looking pretty good up there right now. You're higher. Well, we gotta get you down the ground to get an air show to do here.
He's wagging the ailerons.
He's found the throttle. He knows what to push. He's got to go in a different direction. He's actually pretty good with it. Turning, look up your shoulder, look out that door, you're going to see the airport below you there. There it is. Still, if I pull the power back, you can probably get that cut down.
You know, Charlie Colt once said that a Cub will just barely kill you.
Once.
Oh my goodness. Oh no.
Stick forward, Adam. Stick forward. That looks good. No, he's got the power out.
Oh no. Oh my goodness. No, no, pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull.
I got it. He heard you. Thank you. Got the power back. He heard you too good.
Oh my goodness. Not that far.
He heard you too good. Oh, off over the loop. In a stock Cub? No.
I ain't never seen that before.
Uh-oh. We found a hole again. Oh, we did. Pulled up toward the dish again. Maybe.
Oh.
No, I was wrong. We down the dish again.
All right, get the fire truck out.
He's back. Not bad. Get it turned, get it down to that big long stretch of blacktop. You can land on that, not a problem. Power back. You're not headed towards the airport. There we go. Headed back. There you go. Looking pretty good. Not bad. Don't get too wild. Bounced it once. Bounced it twice. How good are the bungee cords on that airplane?
I replaced them about 20 years ago.
They're good. Aaron, go turn around again, please. Turn this way, on your right shoulder again. Look at the door. Right side. He got to watch him. He popped it in the left and right. There we go. Nice flat turn for it. That'll work. Working back around here. I'm looking pretty good this time. Down that black, hop right there. You can get it slowed down. Pull the power back. Not bad. Point the spinning end down the runway, not the crap. That's it. Down the runway to the spinning end. That's it. Stay off the rudder. Push forward a bit. Back on the power. All these things happen now. And pull back, thank you. That's too far. Ease ease it forward. Come on there. You can work this thing down. You've got a whole 5 minutes in the Cub. You can land it now.
Hold power back, and I think you can land it.
It looks good. Power's back this time.
Oh, it was.
No. Power back in there. Quick.
Land the airplane!
Oh! You heard him. He wants out of there. You got to get him underground yourself, so we can't help you. Turn right. Now, stay, wait, freeze, bring it back towards the airport. Out of there. Looking better. Ethan, looking better. He screams well.
Yeah. I was just screaming all night, too.
That was you in the hallway last night? Oh, jeez. Down and right. That looks good. Looks good. Look at this. He's got one down. He's got one down. He's got one down again, just on the other side. He's got one down again. Let's see. He's got 3 on it. Oh, we still got just one down. Now we got 2. Working on 3.
I'm sorry.
Pull the power back. Little black knob left hand. You know where that is. Ease it back. Ease it back.
He knows the tail wheel's broken.
You think?
Yeah.
How do you learn that? You tell him?
No, I told him to stay off of the brake, but I don't know how he's doing that.
He's on the brake.
I'm going to go get my airplane.
Be careful. Be careful out there. He has no control whatsoever. Well, folks, if you had your that's his contact, Ethan. His collar for it. Look at that. Exactly. You fell down. What you doing again? Mr.
Got Manfred up on the street.